This tutorial shows you how to restore your display colors back to default. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Display. At this point, scroll down and click on Advanced Display. In the next step, if there's no direct color reset option here, click on Color Management instead by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Following this, click on the Advanced tab within the Color Management window. Once done, click on Change System Defaults at the bottom. From here, click on the Advanced tab again within this new window. At this stage, click on Restore Defaults to reset color profiles back to their original settings. Keep in mind, if colors still look off after this, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager instead, then expand Display Adapters. Finally, right-click on your graphics card, select Update Driver, and restart your computer once it finishes, since outdated drivers can also affect color accuracy. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset color settings on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.